Hey guys, Alex here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be sharing with you one of the most high-end projects in Davao City, the residences at Azuela Cove. This is a joint venture between Ayala Land and the Alcantara Group and is a prime mixed-use master plan development in Davao located at the intersection of JP Laurel Avenue and R Castillo. So Azuela Cove is the first waterside mixed-use estate by Ayala Land in the region. This is a 25-hectare business and residential development located at Kilometer 7 Lanang facing Samal Island and Davao Gulf. 40% of the estate will be dedicated to greens and open spaces with a central park as a sprawling green spine connecting all parts of Azuela Cove to the seaside Esplanade, its dynamic centerpiece, and folding vistas of Davao Gulf and Samal Island. The space will have an area for leisure, activity, recreation, business, and home. So this is Davao's prime waterside community. The residences at Azuela Cove is a 2-tower low-density, all-suite development, no studio units here, where all residential spaces are facing the sea. So all units will have a view of the water. All units will have ample space. It's a really low-density, really high-end project with the entire tower having only 77 units, and the tower is like around 21 stories high. The project is almost sold out with only a few units remaining. So this project has a land area of 10,000 square meters. North Tower has 21 floors with 70 units total. South Tower has 22 floors with 77 units. So it's very low dense. As I mentioned, there are only about 2 to 4 units per floor. So except for the penthouse, there are only 2 units on the penthouse area. There are 4 units for the rest of the floors. And from the units, you will have a view of either the Davao Gulf, Samal Island, Azuela Cove, and Davao City. So project is expected to be turned over by next year, 2023. There are 4 unit types available. First, we have Sea View Horizon Suite with balcony facing the sea. Floor area is 196 square meters, 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and baths. Maid's room with own toilet and bath. So, bongga si Yaya, may own toilet and bath siya. And you also have a 25 square meter balcony. There are only around 36 units for this unit. And then Sea View Corner Suite with balcony facing the sea. So, the floor area is 181 square meters, has 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and baths. Maid's room with own toilet and bath as well. And then we have the Sea View Veranda Suite with huge veranda facing the sea. Floor area of 172 square meters. Again, 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath. Maid's room with own toilet and bath. And then the biggest unit, Seascape Villa. So only 2 penthouse units per tower. So floor area is 377 square meter. 4-meter ceiling height with 38 square meters of balcony space. 4 bedrooms, 5 toilet and bath, and a sprawling master suite that comes with its own balcony and an expansive walk-in closet with a flexible space to transform into office or vanity. Now for the ground floor plan of the North Tower, we have social hall, fitness center, main lobby with reception, service lobby, and building administrative office. We also have boardroom and pantry space. Now, this project is almost sold out, like there are only 6 units available. And since the project is very prime, the areas are very spacious, it's a low-density project, it also comes with a price, not to mention that it is an Ayala Land premier project. So the units range from between 35 million to 100 million per unit. So the 100 million unit are the penthouses. And then the other units are between 35, 40 to 50 million per unit. Okay, so that's it for today's project in focus. If you want to know more about this project, there are still a couple of units available. Let me know, contact me. My information, contact info is in the description box down below. And if you want to be updated of the newest listings, newest projects in Davao, CDO, and surrounding areas, then send me an email so I can add you to my mailing list. I'll see you in my next video.